Okay, I think tingin tayo ng mga, habang wala pa masyado mga request guys. So tingin tayo ng updates kay Miss O, no? Anong balita ngayon sa SB19? Let's go. Oh. Let's go.
Wala, hindi ka naman. Andiyan na sila.
So nasa Hong Kong pa lang ngayon ang SB19.
SB19's arrival in Hong Kong.
Pas malaalamat, tapos ko na rin yun eh. Pakinggan ko na rin yun.
Wala, hindi ka naman. Andiyan na sila.
18 Macau.
Guys,
Mas napaka-premium ng suot ni Ikel. Dami ng partida sa ibang bansa yan, pero ang dami nag-abok sa kanila. Sige, later. Check natin yan. More on siya, no? More on interaction sa airport sa SB19. Okay, hindi pa tayo.
Hong Kong airport security surprised at the fans waiting for SB19. Fans waiting for their idols at the airport are normal nowadays, but the Hong Kong airport security surely didn't expect this from SB19, as they are not as globally known as Western and K-pop artists. As shared by our fellow fan, there was no barricade at first. But when the airport security saw the number of fans, they installed it there and then. As you can see, they used the VIP lane, so the whole thing was short. But I want to share that there was no barricade at first. But airport staff securities asked us if we were waiting artists to come out, because they're actually preparing for the VIP arrival, but they don't know who the artists are. As they knew more fans would come, so they set barricade, just like other international stars when they arrived at Hong Kong airport. People passed by were so curious and kept peeking at us. What I hope is people who are curious about Hong Kong 18 will also curious about SB19, and they will get to know more about SB19's music and works. Na kung tutuusin, konti lang ang mga fans na nasa airport sa lubong, but the energy was huge. Pero sigurado namang...
Pero ito yung dating ng mga fans parang ang dami eh. Pero kung dito may video, hindi pala sakto lang siya. No?
Papakitang gilas din ang 18 sa 2-day sold-out concert ng SB19.
Good evening, kulto ng SB19. Sorry ng pangalan mo.
SB19.
So, yun nga. Tulad ng sinabi kanina, nung umpisa, hindi nila ina-expect na yung management mismo ng airport na ganyan ang mangyari. So, hinayaan lang nila. Pero nung dumami na yung tao, no, talagang nag-set na sila ng barricade, yan, hinarangan nila, no, kasi mahirap na, no.
Hong Kong locals got curious about SB19 as fans welcomed them at the airport. Yes, as 18 happily waited and welcomed SB19 at the Hong Kong airport, the locals got curious as well that they have taken out their phones to take pictures and videos of SB19.
dito, meron mga tao na nasa airport, no, na hindi sila knowledgeable kung anong SB19, no. And then, nagtaka sila na meron, no. Kahit ako naman, guys, aminado ko, may times din ako na ganyan. Like, kunyari, sa isang lugar ako, tapos meron siyang may mga dinudumog na, yung mga tao, dinudumog yung isang artist or grupo, no, di ba? May mga times na gano'n, no? So, na-curious din ako, no? So, naiintindihan ko rin yung mga tao, no, na hindi kailangan SB19, no? So, may mga ganyang moment, kaya huwag niyo sabihin na, ano ba naman yan? Bakit hindi nila kailangan SB19? Again, guys, no? May mga ganyang klaseng moments talaga, no? Kumbaga, irespeto din natin dahil unti-unti naman yan, guys. Unti-unti naman may kilalang SB19, no? Hayaan lang natin, bigyan lang natin ng time, no? Unti-unti yan, believe me.
Malay natin, this will lead the locals to search about them and their music. And also, hoping na may busking din sa Hong Kong para mas madiscover sila at mas makilala ng mga locals.
Agree. Sana magkaroon ng busking sa Hong Kong, no? Napakagandang for me, napakagandang exposure ng busking, no? Or sabihin na, flash mob, no? Mas alam na tao yung flash mob, no? Yung busking, or busking, pero yung ibang tao mas alam yun as flash mob, no? Mas okay yun kasi yung mga tao, maki-curious, like kunyari, SB19 nag-perform sa isang mall, biglaan, no? Curious sila, anong grupo to? Tapos dinudumog ng mga tao, no? So, kumbaga, mapipilitang manood yung ibang tao, no? Like, mapipilitan silang panoorin ng SB19, no? Na, yun, yung mismong, kung nasan sila doon, no? Mapipilitan silang panoorin. Kasi doon sila, alangan naman, pag nakita na rin, bigla silang umalis, no? Hindi, guys, no? So, ganun, no? Yun yung mga ganang klaseng moment, mas, for me, mas pabor ako sa ganun na mag-basking sila, no, diba? Kasi kahit mga casual fans na nandun, kailan sila, no, mas mapanood sila, no? So, yan yung mga solidong updates ni Miss O, no, sa SB19. So, nasa Hong Kong pala sila, no? So, ayan, Hong Kong 18, let's go, napaka-solid nyo, no? I hope na maging smooth ang kanilang, sasabihin ko sana, smooth ang transaction. Yes, smooth ang kanilang live performance, na. Pero I'm pretty sure naman, guys, sa lahat naman ng pinerforma ng SB19, no, smooth naman lahat, wala naman naging problema, no. Ayan, yun lang naman. Okay, tingin tayo ng mga iba pang mga updates siguro, no, regarding po sa SB19. Okay ba? Ano bang balita nyo? Dahil na pala nag-comment, no. Lisbeth Tubig, no? Good evening po, sir. Hoping sa performance ng Horizon SMDC. Okay, fanboy Arch. Sige, panoorin natin yan. No? Hello, watching here in Kuwait. Lahat po ng video niyo pinapanood. Uy, salamat po, Miss Rosemary Maayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Leila Alvarez, good evening din. Crispy Pata. Wow, ang angas ng pangalan mo naman. Nakagutom. So, ayan, yung mga updates sa ating mahaliman. Okay.